Today's video covers cautious optimism in the Santa Claus rally as Nifty consolidates. Key highlights: Tata Group's IPO buzz, ITC's demerger, and India Siemens leadership changes. Tune in for market trends and insights. Nifty witnessed an uninspiring session in Tuesday's trade, its first trading day of the Santa Claus rally period. This Thursday morning, in early action, Gift Nifty is seen climbing, keeping hopes of Santa rally alive. Please note, the Santa Claus rally period will run until Friday, 3rd January. Our call of the day, which suggests a light volume trading day, is quite likely, with Nifty trading directionless, choppy and volatile. Long story short, fingers crossed for the end of year Santa Claus rally, which could provide a final boost to a 2024 performance for Nifty and its stocks. Global cues are positive. In Tuesday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2454 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2819 crores. Sentiments could turn positive for the day. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating oversold conditions on the daily charts. Fano December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, has cooled towards 13.17 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 0.89 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 1.00. Nifty outlook: Nifty may waver, but upside is likely to be capped. Nifty, CMP 23728. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,600 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,071 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,600 and 23900. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51233. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 50,313 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,950 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,800 and 51800. Bias for the day is neutral. The next catalysts shall come only in January as the Q3 earnings reporting cycle shifts into a higher gear. Until then, the three negative catalysts keeping upside cap are: 1. In December month, FIIs have been net sellers to the tune of Rs 6744 crores. 2. India's slowing economic growth, which is likely to mean that capital flows will be weak. 3. Weak Indian rupee is a concern after the rupee hit a record low of 85 rupees and 13 paise against the dollar, making Indian markets less attractive to foreign investors and raising inflation fears. Buzzing stocks. 1. ITC has set 1st January 2025 as the appointed date and the effective date for the demerger of the hotel business of the company. 2. Bulls' wish for a Santa Claus rally is coming true for Tata Group stocks on reports that the group is moving closer to launching the IPO of its financial services arm Tata Capital. In Tuesday's trade, Tata Investment Corporation surged 4.24%, Tata Technologies gained 4%, Tata Chemicals rose 3%, Tata Motors up 1.79% and TCS inched up 0.57% in today's trade. 3. N. Srinivasan resigns as CEO, MD of India Siemens after CCI nod for Ultratech's Rs 7,000 crore deal. The Fair Trade regulator also granted its clearance to Ultratech Cement to acquire up to 26% of the paid-up equity share capital of India Siemens by way of an open offer.